Everybody wanna steal my girl. Everybody wanna take her away. Couple billion in the whole world. Found another one, but she belongs to me.
Ay, yura. May kumakalat na naman na bali-balita na wala talagang relasyon sina Donnie at Belle. Ipinagkakalat na naman ng mga walang magawang tao dito sa mundo, ang mga bashers. Ito ang kanilang usapin. This comment on Pip's latest blind item was liked by a Star Magic handler confirming that Donnie and Belle are not in a relationship. Mr. Arlan, real handler ni Miss Dimples, nilike daw ang comment ng stating that Donbell is not in a relationship. Pero ayon sa aking source, wala pong katotohanan ng kumakalat na ito. Gawa-gawa lang po ng mga bashers upang masira ang Donbell. Totoo pong couple ang dalawa.